inheritance is one area that is highly confusing to a lot of people. A lot of people get very confused by this. But generally speaking, anything that you receive as an inheritance is not subject to tax. It's not subject to income tax. It's not subject to capital gains tax. It's tax-free money. There is an exception for estate tax, and that can be a little confusing, but nowadays you have to have an estate in excess of $11 million per person before you're going to be subjected to estate tax. And the estate tax is paid by the estate. It's not paid by you, the beneficiary. So when you receive your money, there really isn't any income tax on it. Now, of course, this applies to California. In California, we do not have an inheritance tax, a state level inheritance tax. So there really is no tax that would be chargeable to you as a beneficiary for receiving an inheritance. Now, that's not true in every state. Some states have enacted inheritance tax, state level inheritance tax, where you have to pay a tax on what you receive on an inheritance. That's not the case in California. There still might be some tax issues dealing with your trust. For example, if the trust itself has generated income after the decedent passed away, maybe they had commercial property that generated rents and income, that is going to be a tax that has to be paid. And a lot of times that income tax is passed through to the beneficiaries. But that's only a tax on the income that was received after the decedent died. It's not a tax on the whole amount. So you can inherit $3, $4, $5 million. You're not going to pay any tax on the inherited money, only on any income that was generated off that money after the decedent passed away. Albertson and Davidson is here to help you fight for your inheritance. Check out aldavlaw.com for our complete library of helpful legal videos and articles from your favorite California trust and will litigation law firm, Albertson and Davidson, LLP.